This video explores emotional intelligence and the neuroscience of leadership. Join us for a promotional workshop at the India Habitat Center on January 9th and 10th from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. with lunch included. There is no fee to attend and learn. In this 4-hour session, you will learn to name emotions, define and practice cognitive reappraisal, and design self-talk for improved health and performance. We will also cover mindfulness breathing and the scientific benefits for the brain, as well as the impact of leadership on organizational climate. Dr. Ashis Sen has been recognized by emotional intelligence legends like Dr. Daniel Goleman and Professor Richard Boyatzis. He is a member of the EI Consortium USA, EI Learning Systems USA, and chairman of the Forum for Emotional Intelligence Learning. Dr. Senator has worked with a range of clients, including the Reserve Bank of India, Indian Railways, Infosys, and Tata Motors. To register for the workshop, email sanashis@gmail.com or WhatsApp plus 919,326,125,430. Seats are limited, and participant selection is managed by Dr. Ashis Sen.